Hi, my name is Mark Vallon, and I'll be your instructor this fall for Organic Gardening, LNT 99. This class is going to cover everything you need to know about organic gardening. We're going to focus on growing food crops, and we're going to focus mainly on vegetables, so annual plants. And I'm going to teach this from the perspective of a small farm or a large garden, assuming that you want to grow food for yourself and for other people. So we're going to pretend that you're going to start a small farm and maybe sell at a farmer's market or have a small subscription box that you would be able to provide to people. And I'm going to go through all those steps through a whole season to teach you how to make it all work. You can scale this up and you can scale it down to whatever setting you prefer, but this is going to be a good middle of the road, mid-scale style agriculture that's all organic and all in tune with nature, and going to be meant for the average person to be able to pick up and apply right away. In fact, you could week by week follow along and do some of these things on a larger scale if you had the time or the space or the energy. And so I'm excited to be able to share this information with you. I think you're really going to enjoy it. This class will officially start on Monday, August 24th. And until then, there's nothing that you need to do. You're already signed up if you're receiving this message. We'll spend our first week, the first part of the first week, going over the orientation to the course and the orientation to the online format. We'll cover the schedule, we'll cover the assignments, you'll know how to get in touch with me and when you can expect me to touch base with you, and we'll get you up to speed. The lab component of this class will be taking place at home, and you will be receiving materials for you to do that work at home and follow along with some of the demonstrations that I'll be doing online. We'll cover all the logistics on how to pick up your materials first week of class. If you have any questions in the meantime, just reply to this email and I will receive it, and we'll make sure you are ready for the course. There is still room in the course for people to enroll, and there's a small chance that it could be cut due to low enrollment. So please, if you know people who are on the fence or thinking about taking this course, please encourage them to sign up. I don't expect to have to cancel this class, and if I did, I would let you know well in advance. But please take a look at our other course offerings, and if you're thinking about taking a second one, now's the time. Go ahead and sign up, put your name on the list, and it'll guarantee that this thing will run. Before I go, I just really want to thank you for signing up for this class. I think you have found it probably in your life a good time, a good opportunity. And maybe you've been waiting for some online courses, or maybe you have the time in your schedule now to take some online courses. You're doing a good thing by signing up and continuing on with your education, or choosing to get involved with your education. It will be a learning curve for all of us. I'm going to be very patient with you. I hope you'll be patient with me. And we're going to make sure that by the end of it, we've all got what we need. More than anything, I wish you the best of luck. I wish you good health, and I look forward to seeing and interacting with you. Until then, take care. I'll see you soon.